Before the flame, the narrowing. Before the rise, the breaking. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Look, I walked the rooms that tried to shrink me. Tight walls pressing in too quickly. Every dream felt heavy on my chest. Every step a quiet test. The pressure came, but it shaped my name. Cutting through the noise and pain. The path got small, the choices few. The narrow roads reveal what's true.
Strip me down to the part that lasts.
Burn the ego, break the past.
What I lose becomes my gain.
Discipline ignites the flame. Before I rise, I feel the narrowing. Before I shine, I face the shadowing. What I release becomes my clarity. Pressure builds the strength in me. Let the old me fall away. I'm refined by every weight. Through the narrow comes the wide. Fire born from discipline strive. Every master starts as broken. Every truth begins unspoken. I felt the walls closing like chains, but I am formed through heat and strain. Stillness carved my spine in stone. Silence taught me I'm not alone. The parts that died prepared the ones that carry me toward what I'll become.
Strip me down to the part that stays.
Cut the noise, reveal the way.
Every limit sets me free.
Constraint becomes the craft in me. Before I rise, I feel the narrowing. Before I shine, I face the shadowing. What I release becomes my clarity.
Pressure builds the strength in me.
Let the old me fall away. I'm refined by every weight. Through the narrow comes the wide. Fire born from discipline strive. Before the crown, the cutting. Before the mastery, the narrowing. Before the rise, the breaking. What emerges after fire cannot be shaken.